Hello everyone, welcome back to Indian Riders. If you're planning to buy an electric scooter in 2026, today's video is going to be very exciting because we're talking about the 2026 TVS iQube, one of India's most trusted electric scooters. TVS has introduced several meaningful upgrades that make the new iQube more practical, more efficient, and even more appealing for daily commuters. From a bigger battery and improved riding range to smarter technology and premium comfort, this scooter is designed to meet the needs of modern Indian riders. Let's begin with the biggest update. The 2026 TVS iQube now offers larger battery options depending on the variant. The new battery packs provide better efficiency and allow riders to travel significantly farther on a single charge. This is great news for people who use their scooter every day for office commutes, college, shopping, or city travel. A longer range means fewer charging stops and greater confidence while riding. Another important improvement is the claimed riding range. The latest battery technology allows the scooter to cover considerably more distance than before, making it one of the strongest options in its segment. Whether you're commuting in heavy city traffic or taking longer weekend rides around town, the new iQube delivers a practical balance of performance and efficiency. Performance has also been refined. The electric motor offers instant torque, which means the scooter accelerates smoothly from a standstill. Overtaking slow-moving traffic becomes easier, and riding through busy streets feels effortless. The throttle response is predictable, making the scooter suitable for both first-time riders and experienced commuters. The top speed has also been improved on higher variants, giving riders better confidence on open roads. One of the best things about electric scooters is their silent operation, and the 2026 TVS iQube continues this tradition. The ride feels smooth, vibration-free, and relaxing. Without the noise of a petrol engine, every journey becomes more enjoyable, especially during daily commuting. Charging has also become more convenient. The updated iQube supports improved charging solutions, allowing owners to recharge the battery more efficiently. Most users can simply plug the scooter in overnight and wake up with enough battery for several days of city riding. This convenience is one of the major reasons why more Indian families are switching to electric mobility. Now let's talk about the design. TVS has retained the familiar styling, but added fresh colors and subtle cosmetic updates to keep the scooter looking modern. The LED headlamp gives the front profile a premium appearance, while the stylish DRLs improve visibility. The clean body lines and attractive finish give the iQube a sophisticated look that appeals to riders of all ages. The build quality remains one of the strongest aspects of the scooter. The body panels feel solid, the paint quality is excellent, and the overall fit and finish reflect TVS's attention to detail. It is clear that this scooter has been built to withstand daily use on Indian roads. Moving inside the cockpit, the premium variants feature a large TFT digital display that provides a wealth of information. Riders can view speed, battery level, remaining range, trip details, ride modes, and navigation. The Smart Zonix system allows Bluetooth connectivity with your smartphone, enabling call alerts, message notifications, navigation assistance, and other connected features. Another useful feature is over-the-air software updates. This means TVS can improve the scooter's software without requiring a visit to the service center. New features and system improvements can be delivered automatically, keeping the scooter updated throughout its ownership. Comfort has always been a priority for TVS, and the new iQube continues to impress. The wide seat offers excellent cushioning for both rider and passenger. The upright riding posture reduces fatigue during longer journeys, while the spacious floorboard provides enough room for carrying bags and other daily essentials. The suspension setup has been tuned to provide a comfortable ride on Indian roads. Speed breakers, potholes, and uneven surfaces are absorbed quite well, making daily commuting much more pleasant. Whether you're riding alone or carrying a pillion, the suspension remains balanced and confidence-inspiring. Storage practicality is another strong point. The generous underseat storage compartment can accommodate a helmet and other personal belongings, making the scooter highly practical for everyday use. A USB charging port is also available, allowing riders to charge their smartphones while traveling. Safety has received equal attention. Depending on the variant, the scooter offers a front disc brake along with a rear drum brake, supported by a combined braking system for stable stopping performance. The wide tires provide excellent grip, while the rigid chassis ensures better handling around corners and during emergency braking. Reverse assist is another thoughtful addition that makes parking much easier, especially in tight spaces. Riders can simply activate the feature and move the scooter backwards with minimal effort. It's a small feature that greatly improves day-to-day convenience. Now let's discuss running costs. One of the biggest advantages of owning the TVS iQube is the extremely low cost per kilometer. Charging the battery costs much less than filling a petrol scooter with fuel, allowing owners to save a significant amount of money every month. Electric scooters also require less maintenance because they have fewer moving mechanical parts. There are no engine oil changes, clutch replacements, or complex engine servicing, reducing long-term ownership costs. TVS has also expanded its service network across India, giving buyers confidence that maintenance and support will always be available. The battery warranty and dedicated customer support further strengthen the ownership experience. When compared to rivals such as the Ola S1 Pro, Bajaj Chetak, Ather Rista, Hero Vita, and Honda Activa E, the 2026 TVS iQube stands out because of its refined ride quality, trusted reliability, premium build quality, connected technology, comfortable seating, and practical everyday usability. Instead of focusing only on flashy features, TVS has created a well-rounded scooter that delivers a balanced ownership experience. So who should buy the 2026 TVS iQube? If you're looking for a reliable electric scooter with a longer riding range, improved battery technology, premium smart features, comfortable ergonomics, and low running costs, this scooter deserves serious consideration. It is ideal for students, office commuters, families, and anyone who wants an environmentally friendly vehicle without compromising convenience or comfort. Overall, the 2026 TVS iQube represents another important step forward in India's electric mobility journey. With meaningful upgrades in battery capacity, riding range, technology, comfort, and practicality, it continues to be one of the strongest electric scooter choices available in the Indian market. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Indian Riders, and press the notification bell so you never miss our latest bike and scooter updates. Tell us in the comments, would you choose the new TVS iQube or would you prefer one of its rivals? Thanks for watching, ride safely, and we'll see you in the next video.